Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the JSHealth Nutrition app is and how it's positioned. JSHealth Nutrition is a wellness app from JSHealth Products Proprietary Ltd. focused on holistic nutrition, balanced eating, and overall well-being. Apps.apple.com. It provides a large library of over 800 nutritious, dietitian-designed recipes aimed at supporting balanced eating habits and a healthier relationship with food. Apps.apple.com. The app also includes customizable meal planners that help users schedule meals based on personal dietary preferences or goals. Apps.apple.com. Users can access workouts that cater to various fitness levels to support activity alongside nutritional guidance. Apps.apple.com. Guided meditations and mindfulness content are available to promote a positive mindset and overall well-being. Apps.apple.com. Easy access to the JSHealth Vitamin Shop is embedded within the app for users interested in products related to their wellness journey. Apps.apple.com. The app is free to download, but continued use requires an active subscription, which can be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Apps.apple.com. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. This app may be useful for people seeking a structured way to explore nutritious recipes and maintain healthier eating habits. Apps.apple.com. For users interested in combining meal planning, fitness content, and mindfulness tools within one wellness platform, this could be an option. Apps.apple.com. Specific interactive features or community tools beyond recipes, planners, and basic tracking are not fully detailed in official store descriptions. This is not confirmed and should be considered a potential cause. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.